First five, kilos between Albert, Malpas, and Mata. For VMS, Borja, Leon, Junior, Aplacador, and Gaslan.
Siro parang di nagpapagupit.
Hindi siya nagpagupit, simula nung nagpagupit siya ng Martin.
Dami sa tao, madami sa.
First time, PMS, Damisu, Aplacador, Junior, Leon, and Gaslan.
Tang ina, walang paulo.
Pulang-pula oh! Ay, di ako nagmura, rep.
Tang inang referee ng
Team captain, voting, team captain.
Reminder to all the players, please remove all your earrings po and kung ano mang mga suot na accessories. Please remove all your earrings. Next time na i-remind technical puntan.
Oh, yung mga earrings, kwintas, hikaw, bulitas, pakitanggal.
Paano pag bulitas? Pwede po.
Oh, ako magtatanggal. Hindi nila alam, homosexual ako eh. Tang ina, naka-live to, marinig tayo ng asawa ko dyan.
Hindi kakat ni Andre yan, rep.
Hindi kinakat ni Andre. Upload yan, diretso.
Hindi ini-edit. Wala naman ma-edit. Live yun, di ba? Pag mahirap i-edit ng live.
Oo, hindi nag-edit yun eh.
Pare, eto naka-live pala. Ito sinabi mo, January 18, 19, ito mag-picture sa amin.
Ha?
January 18, 19.
Wala kang ebidensya.
Ano ka? Naka-live yan nun.
Hindi kakat niya na ngayon yan.
Hindi na-upload ko na ito.
Wala na yan, uy.
Alright, let's go!
Shot
Dito lang nag... Parang di malobot ka.
First possession, kilos. Argel, tumira, wala, rebound Leon. Pass to Mata. First turnover para VMS. Malbas, wala, rebound Junior. Aplacador, pass to Borja. Mag-isa lang. Bang! Eagles, Rob Borja.
Daming silver 3. Expired yan, kasama eh. Pag wala, expired.
14 to shoot. Argel. 10 seconds. Rebound Leon. Who's foul red? Foul number 21. First personal foul, first team foul. Junior, pass to Borja. Isa ba? Wala. Rebound Junior. Aplacador, tumira. Is foul. Foul number 13. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Aplacador. First shot is good.
Kinain nga nila yung... Paano kalab nila, pare ko?
Second shot is good.
Ay, ano? Isdak pala. Isdak. Kilos.
Albert is fouled. Foul number 2, Aplacador. Wala. Rebound. Aplacador. Pass to Leon. Tuwan po ang women's Borja. Wala. Rebound. Parker. Parker. Pass to Mata. Speed. Pass to Malas. Malas. Wala. Rebound dari Balbas. Balbas follow up. That's it. Tahan Balbas. Foul number 21. Number 21, first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot for number 18, Malvas. Bonus shot is good. Switch and score. 5-3, favor of BNS. Ball now. Rob. Pass to steal by Parker. Parker. Gerageraga. Cover steal by Aplacador. Cover steal led by Albert. Albert. Wide move. Wala. Gaslang. Layup. 2 points. Mata. Pass to Albert. Fires. Oh, wala. Okay. 14 seconds to shoot. Parker. Pass to Mara. Mara. Wala. Rebound. Parker. Wala ulit. Armas. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Wait. Bata. 2 points. Aplacador. 2 points for Junior. Malvas. 14 to shoot. Parker. Pull up. 2 points. Aplacador. Pass to Leon. 2 points. Mata. 14 to shoot. 8 seconds. Out of bounds. Bola pupunta sa VNS. Aplacador. Steal. Steal by Parker. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Malvas. Fake. Drive. Wala. Rebound. Junior. All the way. Wala. Rebound. Jump ball. VNS ball. VNS.
Sila na ako ng bola kanina.
BMS. BMS.
Ito na lang. Ano yan, sir?
Roll. Drive. Pass to Aplacador. 14 to shoot. Out of bounds. Change possession. Remaining time, 2 minutes. Mala, pass to Marcas. 14 to shoot. Luisito, reverse, wala. Rebound Leon. Pass to Gaslan. Cody, 3-on-2, Junior, 2 points. Mata. Kaya nakapena ito si Albert sa corner for 3. Wala. Rebound Leon. Pass to Rob. Rob, revive 2 points. Albert, tumira, malakas. Rebound Mata. Mata, wala pa rin. Rebound Leon. Kobe, side stepping, 2 points. 10-point lead by Pires. Archer, nasa kay Luisito. Kay Louis, 2 points. Kalabaw lang ang tumatang. Rob, 14 to shoot. Steal. Malbas, napisa lang. Oh! Out of bounds. Shot clock is off. Up lang doon. Nasa Aaron, pass it in. Wala. And the first quarter official score, 17-9 in favor of VMS Boldness. Back to the ball game. Philos ball, Philos.
Kaya kamukha ni pati ni Doc si Kita. Silang bigote ba?
Malbas. Pass it 3. Bang! 3 points by Malbas. Kobe. Leon Gabert. Alizi pala, Alizi. Foul number 13 between. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Alizi. First shot short. Second shot, wala. Rebound, Balbas. Balbas ulit. Foul, number 46. First personal foul, first team foul. Archer. Kita sa Malbas. 14 to shoot. Malbas, pass to between 2 points. Eman. Drive, kick out. Wala. 2 points for
Kay Bernard. Kay Bernard lang.
14 to shoot. 5. Foul for 18. First personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Archer, pass to Albert. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Malbas, 2 points.
Push foul red.
Foul number 85.
First personal.
Substitution.
20 seconds.
Number 85, first personal foul. Second team foul. Malbas, 2 points.
Number 5.
Archer, layup, 2 points. We are among the ball, Philos. Eman. Side step, kinaliwa, 2 points. Lamang na bola, champion. Foul, number 5. First personal foul, 13 foul. Fourteen to shoot. Arkel, pass to between, reverse. Grabe yung hulo. Steal by Arkel. Makita si Albert. Albert, nagantay ng kasara. Tumira bigla ng 3. Wala. Rebound, number 18. Eman ulit. Layup, 2 points. Lamang na bola at Campinas. Albert. Pass to Malbas. 14 seconds to shoot. Malbas is foul. Foul number 46. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ano? Akala ko to. Akala ko warning na.
14 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound draw. Pass to number 18. Pinasakay number 5. Wala. Oh. Arkel. Wala. Eman ulit. Pinasa sa kampe. Wala. Number 18. 3 seconds. Violation. Ropora. 3 seconds.
Tayo ka doon. Si Daomeng Si. Sunshine.
Albert fires a 3. Bang!
Idol!
Lawang na naman. Number 5, pinasa Sara. Labas, Saro pass. Marcel. 14 to shoot. Hot left. Fake. Nasa kandas. Grabe naman sa 4.3 or Philos. Alcantara. Wala. Rebound number Marcel. Marcel tumatakbo. Out of bounds. Ball on the field.
Sub next rep.
Number 5. Pinasa kay number 18. Substitution Matai. Marcel out. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. Bang! 3 points. Mata. Hotline. Tumira 3. Wala. Rebound Mata. 2 points. Binaliran ang puto para makatira. Number 5, pasa pala, Alwisi.
Hindi pa nakaka-recover eh.
Foul, number 21. Number 21, second personal foul, third team foul. Substitution Yong In, Alwisi out. Fourteen to shoot. Eman, fakes, tumira, in and out. Rebound. Philos, bola ng Philos. Shot clock is off. I repeat, shot clock is off. Mata. Mata. Steal. Rob Mata doon. Rob nag-iisa. 2 points. Malgas. Wala. End of the first half. Official score. 29-28 in favor of Philos. This game is brought to you by Sierra Coca-Cola.
Pwede ba?
Pwede po. Opo.
Pwede po yun. Pwede po.
Saan mo si Kuya Lu? Yes. Take down. Take down. Ayan, si Kuya Lu. Meron yan. Kulang mo sa malas to. Malas gaming ah.
Huwag ka tumawa-tawa dyan. Sino katapat niyo mamaya?
Ha? Sabot, gigil nyo eh. Umaga pa point guard eh.
Ano, Dre? May gamit si Dre? May gamit si Dre?
Saan si Peter?
Hindi, kay Peter daw puro gamit ata eh.
Damit? Anong kapasti pa?
Mag-crib ba kayo? Saan ba kawawa rin crib?
Punta ka sa may Facebook Market. Kunin natin. May mga libre dun. O kaya man, mag-post ka sa Pinoy. Ako, tayo pipick upin natin. Iyan mo na, agad na aga. Post ka na.
Sorry.
Wait lang po.
Sige. Yan mo na. Ako na. O, game. I-post mo sa Pinoy Market para. Pick upin natin. Ilang problema yun. Marami yan. Si Aplacador. Lamang natin lang isa. Sino nag-ano? Score?
Kami.
Hindi, ano?
Nag-lock.
42.
Picture ako. Hindi, sino? Tatlong player. Mamaya na, support na.
8 seconds. Mata, pass forward, fires a 3. No good. Rebound, Lemon. Out of bounds.
Malbas between Parcheck.
Parcel, pinasa kay Albert. Albert,
Tuwira.
2 points.
Sasabi ko sa'yo.
Oh, turnover again. Philippines.
Malas gaming lahat ng play.
Si Kobe. Masasigas lang.
Malbas. 14 to shoot. Malbas, fires a 3. Wala. Rebound Mata. Mata, side step. Wala. Rebound, Aplacador. Steal by Mata. Parcel. All alone. Wala. Rebound, Aplacador. Layup. Wala. Rebound pa rin niya. Pero may foul sa sound. Foul number 18. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Aplacador. First shot, no good.
Box out! Line out pala.
Second shot is good. We are all tied at 31. Malbas. Pass to Mata. Mata. 6. 14 to shoot. Albert. Bang! Nagiginit ang Philippines. Emanda Bawe. Malakas. Rebound Albert. Albert. Pushing foul, number 21, Albert. Number 21, third personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. Rob, tumira ng 3. Wala ulit. Rebound Albert. Albert, nasa ayaw mo play. Number 25. Out of bounds.
Bola siya.
Ang hit na laban.
Parker. Malbas. 14 to shoot. Malabas. Step back. Bang! 6-point lead by Phoenix. Ayman. Drives. Wala. Rebound Leon. Wala rin. Rebound. Malabas. Malabas. Pulls up. Bang! Warning number 85.
Nadala. Hindi, warning pala po.
Up. Good. Sige. Good.
Dapat next position na ibigay na yung ball. Masyado naman pagbibigay. Hindi, okay lang sa akin yun. Tagal lang eh.
Rob. Wala ulit. Rebound. Kobe. 2 balls. Still. Rob. Tumatakbo ang Benes. Rob. 6. Oh. Still. Harapan.
Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Wait lang po sa referee yung sound. Wait lang.
Para hindi tayo magkagulo ba? Substitution! Substitution!
Substitution na. Pasok. Labas.
Para hindi tayo nagkakagulo ba?
Tayo mo po ang tao. referee.
3 points, Rob.
Malabas. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Oh, wala. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Albert. All along. Wala. Rob. Layup. Bang. Kasama ng foul. Foul number 18. Mata. Ang number 78. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Ball shot for Dao Mingsu.
Hindi, nice ka naman ba?
Ball shot is no good. Albert, pinasakay ng taas. Malbas. Pinasakay.
Albert.
14 to shoot. Albert, pinasakay. Between 2 points. Gaslam. Against Mata. Gaslam. Junior. Fires a 3. Wala. Rebound. Nagagawa ng Grimes. Albert. All alone. Fires a 3. Wala. Rebound. Mata na naman. Mata. Bang! 2 points.
Pag na-shoot nila.
Junior. Pinasa ulit kay Wara. 14 to shoot. Kobe. 2 points.
Time out!
Oh, walang timeout. Under 3 minutes.
Walang time out.
Continue. Go, continue lang.
Tama yung score?
O, bibilahin ko ulit pa.
Point by Kilos. Albert. 2 points. Back to 8-point lead. Laura. Full shot. Wala naman. Rebound in between. Pinasa kay Parcel. Parcel, 3 on 2. 2 points for Parcel. Kaslang. Wala. Rebound Parcel. Pinasa kay Mata. Still by Kaslang. Kaslang. 2 points. Side block is off. Haruchen. Pulls up. Wala. Rebound. Mata naman. Mata. Floater 2 points. Leon. Basket. And the third quarter. Official score 49-41. 8-point lead by Philios. Final quarter.
Si Mata.
Mata tengah. Palpas. Fade away. Wala. Eman, kemana tuh Bill? Eman, 2 points.
Tutulog dyan. Tulog-tulog ko yung sa BMS. Pag seryoso yung mga yan.
Parcel. 14 seconds. Parcel. Pass to Louis. It's foul.
Who's foul, right?
Foul number 18. Colliado. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Luisito. Star between. Basket. First shot good. Second shot good. Rebound Malbas. Malbas. Push up. Wala. Between. Wala. Between ulit. Wala ulit. Jeles naman. Ang catwalk. Jeles. Alvini. Wala. Already. Wala. Rebound Mata. Malbas. Malbas is fouled.
Alwisi.
Foul number 7, Alvisi. First personal foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot. Archen, wala. Rebound. Alvisi tumatakbo. Pass to Bora. Bora. Layup 2 points. 5-point lead na lang ang Philos. Argel, 14 seconds. Malbas, fires a 3. Bang! Malbas. Number 18, 2 points.
Time out next. Philos.
Offensive foul.
Tayo mag kaya?
Time out, Philos.
Offensive foul number 85, Populous. Second personal foul for Populous. Time out, Philos.
Sino naman?
Malbas.
Kasi Kuya Lou is 8. Walang 6 points. 6 points. Mamaya pa maaga pa naman eh.
Pasok.
Bilang sa points. Siya, bumati lang naman yung points dito. Siya yung nagpapakali. Kahit mababa yung ano, basta ano. Okay lang yan. Oh. Kain ka. Sa ano, sa...
Moving. Pass to Evan. All along. Wala. Rebound.
Sabi mo.
Jump ball. Rainbow.
Hindi, sino nga sabihin?
Man, nakasiro.
6 points.
Wala naman.
32. Eman. Oh, steal. Malbas is foul. Number 46. Third personal foul. Third team foul po tayo. 14 to shoot. Albert. Pass between 2 points. 8-point lead by Philos. Region 4, 55-47. Bora. Basket. Oh, second on the line. Oh, 6-point lead now. 6-point lead. Bora. Fire to 3. Wala. Rebound Mata. Mata. Pass to Malbas. 14 to shoot. Mata. Pass to Marcel. Bas.
Wait lang.
Counted yun lang.
Wait lang.
Double foul yung dalawa.
Hindi pa.
Basket count ha, kasi nasa lim ng bola. Basket count, push on 24 break. Push.
Okay. Basket count.
57. First personal 10.
Pushing foul. Number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Mata. Pinasa sa corner. Malbas. Walang asawa. Wala. Rebound Kobe. Nakita si Bora. Bora, 3 versus 1. Bora, 2 points. Albert, kita si Albert. Albert, turnover. Steal by Bora. Bora against Mata, 2 points. 4 na lang Alman. Steal Alman by Vienes.
Isa na lang time out nyo ha.
May time out kasi stop time na po tayo first quarter.
Hindi, pwede yan. Dead ball.
Wait lang po, wait lang po.
Wait lang.
Number 13 yellow, unsportsmanlike foul.
Number 13 between unsportsmanlike foul.
Third personal.
Number 13, third personal foul. Technical free throw for Coliano.
Sayang mo, laki mo naman.
Kasi yung bumanggan.
First shot is good.
Sino ka ba ng Yolanda? Bisdak? Pwede na wala.
Second shot is good. Official score 57-55. 2-point lead by Pilos. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Bora. It's foul.
Isit yun lang.
Yes, para siya.
Foul number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. First team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Ewan, nakita si Bora. Bora. 10 seconds to shoot. Bora. 2 points. We are all tied at 57. Markel pulls up, 2 points.
Sir, dalawa natin foul ng yellow at sportsman.
Steal by Pilos. Markel. Wala, rebound. Number 18. Bora. Pass to Gaslam. Kobe, basket. May kasangtong foul.
Court na yan, court na.
Basket out, ha?
Foul number 21. Fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate.
Ano ba? Mag-time out ba sila? Ano?
Hindi, mamaya, pag na-shoot daw.
Bomb shot for Gaslam. Tabla tayo, tabla. We are pleased to inform the coming of John Lee. Bora, wala, rebound. Foul number 13, warning for graduate. Fourth personal foul, 13 foul po na, 13 foul.
Boss! Kuya, huwag tayong pumasok sa ano ah.
First shot, wala.
Pag pumasok, time out.
Wala pa rin. Kaslam. Let's move. Number 13, blocking foul. Grabe. Warning for penalty bola. 2 shots for Kobe Kaslam. First shot is good. Both teams warning for penalty. Both teams. Late.
Time out!
Hindi gamit yung second free throw. Time out. Philos.
Ano kayo?
Basta kalaban nila. Sila nga yung, di ba,
Advance
apat
sila.
lang sa amin. Sila tatlo lang yung mga ng staff.
Okay, Philos, wala na kayong timeout. BMS, meron pa kayong dalawang timeout. Meron pa kayong dalawang timeout. Albert, for tonight, apat ka na. One and four, brother ka na.
Reminder lang, reminder.
Sinasabi lang namin baka mag-OT eh. Wala kayong player. Sinasabi lang baka mag-OT, wala silang player. Balay mo lang.
Back on the ball game, back on the ball game. 24 seconds yan, nasa clock, 22.
14 lang.
14 seconds, 14 seconds. Half court, 14 seconds. Malbas. Albert, wala, rebound Emma. Foul number 11. Second personal foul, penalty bola. Two shots for Mr. Eman Alcantara. First shot is good.
Dalawa na time out nyo. Dalawa na? 7 minutes nag-time out kayo. Oo nga pala.
Wala. Ready na lang rin. Pass to Outlet. Nagatawa pa eh. 14 to shoot. Parcel layup. Wala. Rebound Parcel. Wala pa rin. Mata naman. Paso. All. We are all tied at 6-1. Kaslam. Pass to number 18. Goliano is foul. Foul number 11, Parcel. Third personal foul. Penalty bola, penalty.
Tatlo ka na.
Aga pa, tatlo pa.
Matagal pa oh. 42. Basta walang wala, Paul.
First shot, no good.
Hey, box out na! Box out! Box out! Box out! Last shot tayo!
Second shot is good. 1 point lead by VMS. 1 point lead. Oble, nasa kay Mata. Mata, Mr. Everywhere. Pass to Malbas. Fires a three. Blocked by Kobe. 14 to shoot. Albert. Oble. 8 seconds. Albert tumira. Wala. What a sequence.
Sino?
Shot clock ko pa.
Who's foul here? Who's foul? Ref, who's foul? RJ. Foul number 11. Warning for graduate again.
Meron pa kami pang
2 shots for Rob Borja. First shot is good para kay Tommy.
penalty na rin sila! Penalty na rin!
Wala na time out, wala na.
Wala! Baksak!
Marcel. 2 point lead lang. Marcel. Huli na ni Kobe. Marcel pa rin. 2 point! Hey, time out sila. Nag-time out. Hindi, kanina pa.
Kanina pa po nag-time out. Kanina pa po.
Hindi na rin yung siren eh.
Dapat direct.
Nagsabi sila sa akin.
All.
Ah,
Dapat diretso yun. Dapat diretso yun.
Hindi, nakapag-buzzer na ako, hindi pa umaano pre. Maingay lang eh.
Biglang binato kasi.
Oh, nagkalimat po sa akin. Pero kasi hindi pa napapasa yung bola, ang ingay kasi. Kanina pa ako pindot to eh.
Okay lang yan, kasi kanila naman ang bola eh.
Ang ingay, di ko nga rin narinig yung buzzer eh.
Pero wala nang time out pareho ha.
Meron pa isa sila. Isa pa. Binato kasi bigla yung bola.
Hindi. Nagre-react nga sa akin. Sinabi ko i-react mo. Sabi ko, hindi namin nung nakusunta.
Hindi, di narinig yung buzzer eh. Di narinig.
Kasalanan na mag-asawa to.
O hina ng buzzer rip eh. Hindi ko na
Oo, ingay, maingay.
Ang dami ni Sid.
back to the ball. DMS, 1 timeout left.
Kalaban niya? Bakit?
11 seconds. Game clock. 4:63. Bola, saan yung bola?
Ayun o.
Sisigaw mo talaga pasaway.
Si Samson ngayon naman nag-ano.
Oh, na-injury yata eh.
Dap sa'yo nakasalala yan. Wala na ako dyan.
Wala, kahit sa akin nakasalalay ito. Wala, di marinig yung buzzer eh.
Borja against Oble. Borja binasa kay Evans. 2 points. Albert, 2 seconds. Albert.
Tingnan mo, di nga narinig eh. Kaya sumisigaw eh.
And off the ball game. Official score 65-63 in favor of VMS Boleros.
Wala.
Nice game. Best player of the game. Rob, a.k.a. Daminzu Borja.